Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. And this is the Aqador 300 HT. This was one of my favorite last year, but the Aqador 97 has taken its place. But here you have what the Aqador is missing as well. A big size mid cabin. But the really nice feature is the swimming platform. Foldable sofa and table. I'm gonna make that for our boat to the next year. But yeah, still not a replacement for our boat.